Want to record supplier invoices without making mistakes in AutoCount? Let's go through the AP invoice process from start to finish. You can watch this video to understand it step by step.
Page number 9, task 2.6. So AP invoice, we go to AP invoice entry and then new. Over here, you see got this additional column is called supplier invoice number over here. This supplier invoice number, we have to key in the original supplier invoice number 445566 over here. And this new, please don't key in manually, just leave it. Okay, the new, and we select the customer creditor name, supplier A, and we put the date is 11 Jan. You see 45 day is, due date is February, 25 of February, and the purchase account is 610. Okay, 610. Description is item 1222. Okay, amount 1005. And the footer description, you only need to key in once, purchases. Make sure you take this option, proceed new AP invoice before we save and proceed to new transaction. After done, we take save, and then second transaction is supplier A also. Okay, supplier A, invoice number 445577, and dated 13th of January. Item is 610, purchases. Item 1255, amount 2005. Save. And last one, supplier C. Supplier C, invoice number 778899, and the date is 14 January, and purchase account 610. Description is item 1244, amount is 900. Okay, that's all. So save. Before I proceed, I want to explain one additional function. The function is like that. If example, this supplier A, one of your account staff already key in this invoice 445566. Another account staff also go and key in the same invoice number. So later when you check, then going to be very chaos and messy. One of the function in AutoCount, you can log this to prevent both of your account staff keying the wrong entry, duplicate entry. How we go to those here, and then you go to bottom option. You go to select this invoice and then customize invoicing tool. You untick this function, allow duplicate supplier document number. This one you untick. After untick, when you create the same transaction, you see got the same supplier invoice number for the same supplier. Different supplier, this not going to function because different supplier possible to give you the same invoice number, but same supplier not possible to give you the same invoice number. This one, when you save the type, the system will prompt you. Okay, because I already are not allowed to save as the duplicate transaction. Other than this, I think not much different from AI invoice.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.